Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating comparison between two game changers in the world of digital content creation, Descript and ElevenLabs. Whether you're a budding podcaster, a YouTube creator, or just tech curious, stay tuned as we explore what sets these two platforms apart. First up, let's talk about Descript. Imagine a tool that not only helps you edit your audio and video, but also transcribes your content with ease. That's Descript for you, a multifaceted platform designed for creators of all stripes. What makes Descript stand out? Let's dive in. Key features of Descript include robust editing for both audio and video, automatic transcription, and overdub, a feature that lets you create realistic voiceovers from text. It's a haven for podcast producers and YouTubers, thanks to its multi-track editing, collaborative capabilities, and custom templates. Now, let's shift gears to ElevenLabs. This platform is a marvel in voice AI technology. Whether you need a voice clone or a multilingual voiceover, ElevenLabs steps up to the plate with some seriously advanced features. With ElevenLabs, you get generative voice AI, voice cloning in 29 languages, and a library of unique synthetic voices. It's a goldmine for e-learning platforms, animation studios, and even publishers looking to transform books into audiobooks. So, how do these two stack up against each other? Descript is your go-to for comprehensive audio and video editing, with a strong emphasis on collaboration and content creation. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, shines in the realm of voice technology, offering unparalleled voice generation and cloning capabilities. Whether you're editing your latest podcast episode on Descript or creating a multilingual voiceover for your next big marketing campaign on ElevenLabs, both these platforms offer cutting-edge solutions that cater to diverse creative needs. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.